little neater, but definitely set this party alright. Oh.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be just kind of like updating my desk, getting it all back together because I'm planning to restart nursing school this coming February. So I'm going to start studying real soon. I have a book that I want to try to get through before I start back in school, just to be like refreshed on some things and ready to go back. So yeah, this video is just going to be me updating my desk, getting my organization things set up, so when I do sit down to start studying, everything will be well organized and ready to go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So this is some peel and stick contact paper I got, the marble pattern. I got it from, I think Lowe's has it for like $6.97 a roll. It comes with a good little bit on the roll. I forgot the measurements. I don't have it close by anymore, but I really like it. I use some Mod Podge just to help give it a real good stick because my kids are always going in and out of those drawers. So the Mod Podge is just for just a little extra security, so it doesn't peel off as easy as it would without putting the Mod Podge, if that makes sense. So this desk was a DIY I did about 2 years ago, and basically my dad is a carpenter. I found the filing cabinet for like $2 at a Goodwill. So I went ahead. It was gray when I got it. I spray painted it black, and I'd covered it with a silver wrapping paper that I liked at the time. And this part I'm painting here is just like a base just to sit it up a little higher, because the desk I had my dad get an old board out of his shop and 2 legs, and he just kind of nailed them together. I spray painted the legs black, and then I did paper on the top of the desk. You'll see it later in the video, and just set it on top of the filing cabinet. So here I'm just spray painting my pencil holder that I already had. I got it from Ross for like $4.99 2 years ago, and these are some trays I got from Dollar Tree. They're hot pink, and I'm trying to incorporate it. My room is now more of a rose gold, marble gray, and lighter pink. So the hot pink, which my printer still has hot pink, but I just wanted to tone it down a little bit.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
So if you look into the corner like behind me, that is the top of the desk, but that's underneath it. So whenever I flip it over, I'll just sit it on top of the filing cabinet. Like one side will sit on top of the filing cabinet right here, and then the 2 legs holds up the other side. And the top is also, I also did the marble contact paper on top, so it matches the drawers. Very easy to do. I mean, it was cheaper. It was all free. I paid $2 for the filing cabinet, but all of the wood and everything was free. I got it from my dad, so saved me a whole lot. And it's big, like it's very big.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So since recording this video, I have painted my room. My room is now gray. I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture of how the desk area looks since painting my room. I did buy some new pictures and I added with what I already had. So it looks a whole lot better. Like I just added more to the area, if that makes sense. So thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.